Merttace, the leading manufacturer for indoor lighting in Guizhou, China, covers an area of 5,000 square meters with over 100 employees. Merttace has been engaged in decorative lighting products since 1995, focusing on various of contemporary lighting such as pendant lamps, ceiling lamps, chandelier, table lamps, floor lamps, wall lamps with materials like iron, aluminum, fabric, glass, wood, ceramic, cement, and acrylic, etc. Merttace, a lighting expert who focuses on producing design-quality lighting for people who consider taste and quality more than price. We always keep our eyes on fashion trend on lighting, materials, and colors to design unique products for our customers. There are 2 showrooms with over 1,000 different SKU products, and we launch more than 10 new SKU every month. Details are carefully carried on each product to have nice feeling of design. There are 15 punching machines, 18 spinning machines, 4 painting lines, 8 polishing machines at our factory for hardware metal parts. Quality is our culture. We take 100% inspection for all incoming materials. 100% online inspections, including high-pot test, tilt test, polarity test, functional test, are carried during production. In addition, we have professional sales service team to offer clients AQL inspection after package if the clients cannot make the inspection. Processes from raw materials to finished products. We strictly follow the quality standard according to the agreement with clients. After years development, we obtain certificates CE, SAA, ROSE, UL, CUL, SASO, BSCI, etc. ODM and